We believe that sustainability provide best opportunity to business to drive smarter innovation and profitable growth. Smarter innovation means sustainability provide opportunity to embed green sustainable technology where you can save a lot of energy, a lot of water and a lot of expenditure on the waste. At UPL, to embed sustainability, we have created Green Cell, and at Green Cell, there are number of engineers, biologists, technocrats, chemists. Day and night they are working to develop green sustainable technology which can be implemented and embedded inside UPL to bring down the UPL environment footprint of operation. And we have developed number of technologies. Some of the technologies are scale band technology. So there we have reduced a lot of water in the cooling tower. We have developed, piloted and embedded Volute, which helpful in wastewater management. We have piloted and developed forward osmosis. I think forward osmosis first time in the UPL we have embedded among the world in agrochemical company, and it is a very good technology to treat the wastewater. We have developed OH radical which can treat the high TDS effluent. So I think by this way we feel that sustainability provide opportunity for a smarter innovation. Sustainability also provide opportunity for the profitable business, profitable growth. And I think in last 10-11 years what I found that between 2011 to 16 when I was in charge of sustainability of Unilever, and when we implemented sustainability at Unilever, then we found that we able to save nearly $100 million worth water bill, energy bill and waste bill. Similarly, between 2016 to 2020, I am with UPL and I am heading globally sustainability and environment at UPL. And here also we embedded sustainability and brought down the environment footprint of UPL 30%. There what we found, when we calculated, then we able to save in last 4 years nearly $45 million worth water bill, energy bill and the waste disposal cost. So it's clearly saying that sustainability is for the profitability of business. I think that especially when in 2015 United Nations brought SDG, Sustainable Development Goal, and Paris Agreement on climate change, then sustainability became more relevant because we believe that the cost of inaction on the SDG and Paris Agreement is higher than the cost of action. At UPL, we have embedded sustainability by embedding triple bottom line approach in sustainability strategy. Triple bottom line approach means we have embedded environmental dimension, we have embedded social dimension, and we have embedded governance dimension in our sustainability strategy. So if I say environmental dimension means we have adopted a better water management system, we have adopted better environment management system, and we have adopted better eco-efficient operation. Social dimension means we have implemented very good practices on the HR. We have brought a very good policy and processes related to safety. and we have done a lot of work how to achieve the SDG. And governance, under governance, we have brought various policy related to the good governance and also the customer care, quality policy, tax strategy. So those kind of things embedded under governance. So we have implemented triple bottom line approach in our sustainability strategy. I think to embed sustainability at UPL, we have done 5 things. First things, we adopted triple bottom line approach. Second thing, what we did, we brought several good policy and management system in place to embed the sustainability. Like climate policy we brought, environment management policy we brought, tax policy we brought, human right policy we brought. So those kind of a good policy related to sustainability we brought and implemented. Third things we did is a sustainability reporting, and regularly as per GRI guidelines we used to publish the sustainability report of UPL, and it is third party authenticated, it is third party assured report, and every year we used to report the sustainability report where everything we place what we are doing. Fourth things, we adopted the practice of taking very good international certifications, like we have taken responsible care certification, and also we have taken FTAC for good certification, and that provide us guideline and a standard to implement the sustainability at UPL. And the last part we did, we participated in international sustainability rating agency like DJSI, FTAC, Sustainalytics, and we found that in last 3-4 years, these all international sustainability rating agency has given very good and higher rating to UPL. Recently, one of the premium ESG rating agency, Sustainalytics from the Netherlands, they have rated UPL number 1 in the sustainability among the agrochemical company globally. If you see Dow Jones Sustainability Index, they have also rated us above industry average. FTSE has also well rated us. So we have adopted the practice where we participate in this rating and we got a very good score. So I think this way we are implementing sustainability and embedding sustainability at UPL, and by this way we able to reduce our environment footprint. Nearly 30% of our operation environment footprint we able to reduce by implementing the sustainability, and which provide us not only social benefit where we able to reduce our environment footprint and pollution, but also it helps a lot to achieve the beyond compliances, and it also help in monetary benefit where nearly $45 million we able to save on the saving of water, energy and waste.